हिमाचल प्रदेश भारत का सबसे सुंदर और पहाड़ी राज्य है। हरे भरे घास के मैदान, बहती नदियाँ, यहाँ की वादियाँ, सुहाना मौसम और पहाड़ी लोगों का अपनापन लोगों को सुकून देता है। हवा में ताजगी, वातावरण में शांति हिमाचल की खूबी है जो लोगों को अपनी ओर खींचती है। इस वीडियो में हम आपको हिमाचल प्रदेश की परंपरागत भोजन और पारंपरिक वस्त्र को परिचय करने जा रहा है। चलिए।
Apart from being blessed with a breathtaking natural beauty, it's also a tasteful blend of exquisite Pahari cuisine that give any traveler more than just one reason to fall in love with this beautiful mountain-dotted state. Himachali or Pahari cuisine has a unique aroma and flavor due to its usage of lot of yogurt and cardamom and cooking on slow flame. Madra is originally a delicacy that belongs to Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh. The dish mainly consists of soft chickpeas or vegetables, cooked well in oil, and various spices such as cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, cumin, coriander powder, and turmeric powder enhances the taste of this dish. Madra is one of the dishes that represents the culture of Himachal. Every restaurant, every occasion and festival will have Madra offered to you with utmost love.
Dam is a complete food that, along with a great taste, promises a healthy dose of nutrients. The dish includes dal, rajma, rice, curd, borki kadi, and is very well complemented with gur. Dam is a plate full of delicious delicacies that are a must serve on the occasions and festivals.
Chutkia Bad is the authentic pulao of Himachal Pradesh that Pahadi people cook in their own very style. The dish is not only cooked with Indian spices but an extra add up to the lentils, potatoes and yogurt along with onion, tomatoes, garlic, cinnamon, cardamom provides this dish such a great taste that will make you want it again and again.
Bay is a delicious dish which is prepared with the lotus stems. Thinly sliced lotus are then cooked in the ginger garlic onions and gram flour, which adds the unique and great taste to the dish.
Kullu trout fish. Himachal Pradesh promises a great number of non-vegetarian delicacies. Kullu trout is a famous dish of Kullu region which is prepared with the trout fish. The marinated fish is cooked in the minimal spices to keep the nutrients and the original taste of trout intact. The dish is best coupled with the number of boiled vegetables and hence it remains one of the healthiest delicacies of Himachal Pradesh.
The food talk of Himachal Pradesh cannot be completed without including Tibetan cuisines. Being an important Tibetan colony, the regional food of Himachal Pradesh is highly inspired by the Tibetan culture, the best of which can be found in McLeodganj and Dharamshala. Momos remains the all-time favorites of Himachali people. That the tukka is a Tibetan noodle soup which originated in the eastern part of Tibet. Is also famous variant among the Tibetan people and the Himalayan people of Nepal. Is also popular in Ladakh regions and the state of Himachal Pradesh. Tukka is also eaten in Bhutan, where is a type of porridge. There are numerous varieties of tukka in Tibetan tradition, including tenduk, gaituk, Nepali, patuk, rektuk, etc. These are very tasteful dishes in Nepalese versions. It's much influenced by Nepalese taste and therefore contains chili powder, masala, usually garam masala, which makes it hot and spicy with dominant Nepali curry flavor. Just very interested food in Himachal Pradesh.
Mita. Mita is a sweet dish of Himachal Pradesh prepared on special occasion. It has sweetened rice mixed with dry fruits and raisins. What makes this dish different than any other is a combination of dry fruits with sugar and saffron milk. This dish is cooked in unique spices and is specially crafted to be cooked slowly so that the nutrition in the ingredients remain intact.
Traditional dress of the Himachali people also reflects their culture. They like their ethnic dressing and dress in traditional costumes as they safeguard and honor their diversity. The natives are known as Pahari people. Partly, the dressing also makes even the climatic conditions of the harsh winters, which is another reason to influence the traditional attire of Himachal Pradesh.
The Himachal Pradesh people are widely divided into two ancient classes, Brahmins and the Rajputs. Only local or traditional people can spot the difference at once, as there is very little difference in the way they dress, as they are almost identical. Let's see how Rajputs' dress seems unique. Rajput men wear a long kurta over chudar pajamas that hold the ankles tight. They drape a lengthy silky overcoat over it, as yak is very common in this region. Even the clothing is made from this yak feather. So these overcoats are designed by golden threads and embroidery over yak feather, which helps to keep warm in the harsh climate. They cover their head with a turban, which is a long cloth tied over the head.
The Himachali people are widely divided into two ancient classes, where Brahmins men wear a long kurta over a dhoti. They also wear a lengthy overcoat or waistcoat and tie a turban on their head to cover their head. The Brahmin priests wear mostly white clad dress and also have a soft cloth like a towel over their shoulders.
Traditional dress for women in Himachal Pradesh. The women of the two major castes of Himachal Pradesh wear something similar and their dress is also identical. Rajput. The women wear long dresses from their neck to their feet. It is in the shape of a kurta and they wear it over a skirt-like dress or a loose salwar. They wear also gagra and choli, called shirt or blouse.
Brahmins. They also wear gangra and cholis called shirts or blouses over a long loose skirt type trousers and the traditional salwar. Kameez with a dupatta, meaning a long cloth to wear over the dress and head. They wear special materials for the special celebration or festival that have intricate work including embroidery on hand-woven cloth.
The tribal men can be seen wearing chola, meaning a shirt, type of top for the upper part of the body, over a sultan as trousers. They tie it up with a fat belt called dora. These belts are made with special hand-woven and are various sizes.
Tribal women. The tribal women can be seen tucked up in bulky silver jewelry and ornament, even on dress. And mostly, this is a casual attire for them. They wear bright and shiny dresses and ornaments to functions and various events or gatherings.
One of the main clothing accessories of Himachal Pradesh is the Pashmina shawl. It is made from the goat hair of Pashmina goat and are very expensive shawl that are in great demand. People buy them as requisite items, especially for special occasions to cover from cold winter nights. Sometimes very soft silk is mixed to this for a smoother, soft and shiny finish. Caps or toppis is one of the most attractive caps found in Kullu regions of Himachal Pradesh. They are the authentic traditional caps and now they are also sold to several destinations and tourists. They are somewhat circular in shape, thick or stiff, and is designed to look attractive, especially on the front of the cap. They are made from various materials such as woolen for winters and cottons for summers. The velvet material caps are worn for special occasions.